New York City's Mayor Bill de Blasio, he has new rules of his own put in place today. A vaccine mandate for many workers at private companies. Newsy national correspondent Axel Tercios has the latest tonight from New York.
The mayor of America's largest city is calling it a first-in-the-nation move.
We cannot let those restrictions come back. We cannot have shutdowns here in New York City. We got to keep moving forward.
By the end of the year, New York City plans to mandate vaccinations for all private businesses, roughly 184,000.
Look, this is how we put health and safety first, by ensuring that there is a vaccine mandate that reaches everyone universally in the private sector.
Mayor Bill de Blasio says the combination of holiday gatherings and the spread of the Omicron variant triggered what he called a preemptive strike.
We can talk about all the other tools, and we will. But vaccination is the central weapon in this war against COVID. It's the one thing that has worked every single time across the board.
Last week, New York identified 5 cases of the Omicron variant. Daily COVID case counts have also spiked 75% since November 1st.
And I think by having these vaccine mandates and having vaccination programs and ease of access to vaccines and information about vaccines, I think will prevent the surge from happening. It's the vaccines work, they're safe, and we know that.
De Blasio's move comes in his last month in office. Mayor-elect Eric Adams will take over come January 1st. Adams declined to say whether he would enforce the new rules. Mayor Bill de Blasio says he's confident the mandate will withstand a court challenge.
They have won in court, state court, federal court, every single time, Jonathan. And it's because they're universal and consistent.
New York City already requires vaccination at indoor dining, entertainment, and gyms. Those rules will soon apply to kids 5 to 11 years old who are now eligible to get vaccinated. And beginning December 27th, one vaccine dose for adults, 1 coated. 2 doses will be required, except for those who received the Johnson & Johnson vaccine.
I don't think it's too late. I think we can't take our foot off the gas in trying to do whatever we can to educate the public, to educate the community. It's never too late to get vaccinated.
Said that his office took this decision because of the threat posed by the new variant Omicron of the COVID-19 virus. Now the clock is ticking for all of those businesses. Again, by December 27, all of those employees working for private companies or small businesses have to show proof of at least 1 dose of the COVID-19 vaccination. Chance.